Are you drowning in a sea of debt and struggling to find a way out? You aren't alone. The current average household debt is $103,358. In this video, we're going to show you how you can crush your debt using the powerful debt snowball method. Let's say you have multiple debts, like credit card bills, car loans, and student loans. The debt snowball method works by focusing on one debt at a time, starting with the smallest balance and then working your way up to the next highest. You might ask, isn't it mathematically smarter to focus on the debt with the highest interest rate? Technically, yes, but the debt snowball works because it's all about changing your behavior. Trust me, your mindset has more to do with this equation than math ever will. Personal finance is 80% behavior and only 20% head knowledge. The quick wins you get with the debt snowball help you believe you can actually pay off your debt. And if you believe it, you'll start behaving like it. First, make a list of all your debts and their outstanding balances. Let's say you have a credit card debt of $2,000, a car loan of $5,000, and a student loan of $10,000. Next, pay the minimum payments on all your debts, except the one with the smallest balance. In this case, that would be the credit card debt. Here's the powerful part. Instead of spreading your extra money across all your debts, you're going to throw every extra dollar you have at that smallest debt. Cut back on expenses, find ways to make extra income, and put it all towards that $2,000 credit card debt. Once you've paid off that first debt, celebrate your progress. It's an achievement. Now, take the money you were putting towards the credit card debt and add it to the minimum payment of your next smallest debt, the car loan. Continue increasing the amount you pay towards each debt as you knock them out one by one. You'll quickly gain momentum, just like a snowball rolling downhill. As you pay off each debt, you'll have more and more money available to pay off the larger ones. Before you know it, you'll be debt-free. Imagine the weight lifted off your shoulders and the freedom you'll feel. Take control of your financial future and say goodbye to debt forever. Click on one of these videos to continue your journey towards financial freedom. You can also visit the links in the video description below for more resources, and don't forget to subscribe.